Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the latest software update in the Poco F3 GT smartphone, how you can actually get it. Yes friends, this is a question which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic, as you can see. So few of the users that did not get the software update, which is about the 12.5.5 update. As you can see friends, right now I did install 12.5.5. Not only me, even few of the users, they are having same kind of doubt. So why I did not get the update? As you can see, I did not get the update. As you can see friends, so many comments I'm getting on this details only regarding the software update. So let me try to say you two things. So first thing is that, so whenever you click on the about phone and try to go to this MIUI version, try to click on check for updates. As soon as you get the update, try to download immediately. If you try to skip it at that time, again you won't get that update. Yes, again it takes a lot of tries to get to the update. So similarly like this, whenever you see this kind of indication showing you that update is available, and click on download update immediately. If you not click on the download update, what happens is that after some time it will try to disappear. Again you won't get. In case if you want to get very fast, you need to do only one thing friends, last option which is available. Always click on check for updates. Every time you need to click multiple times a day. Only then you will be able to get the update in this Poco F3 GT. That is what happened with the previous Poco X3 device, which I am trying to use for the past 1 year, Poco X3. I still remember every time I try to skip the update, what happens is that every time I need to click on check for updates. Yes, this is only one solution which I can give you at this moment. In case if you did not receive this kind of latest software update in the Poco F3 GT, so this is one thing which you can actually do that. So click on the check for updates. So I'll try to make a very soon review on this case which I'm trying to use in this Poco F3 GT. So don't forget to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the case review. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in this way you'll be able to get the software update. And few of the users, I did reply to them and they got the software update after clicking multiple times. So just give it a go friends, just click multiple times, and don't forget when you get the update, try to download it. So see you in the next video friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more thing, this happens only with MIUI, not with other Realme UI and other UIs. It doesn't happen. If you're unable to download at that moment, you can definitely download later. But with this MIUI, what happens is that you need to download on the spot. If you try to skip it, again it takes a lot of tries to get back that kind of update as possible. So see you in the next video friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.